Hello everyone, my name is Shubhodip Chakraborty and I am from class 7A. Today we will do an experiment to verify or to prove the laws of reflection. So as we know that there are two laws of reflection. The first law said that the angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection, and the second law says that the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie on the same plane. So let us do that experiment. Come on. Okay, for this experiment I have taken one sheet of paper. I have drawn one straight red line. This line is the normal, and I have pasted one protector with sellotape. I have taken one plain mirror with two clips, for it will help the mirror to stand. So everything is there, one mirror is there, normal is there. Now we need the incident ray and the reflected ray. For that we will take one laser light. Now if we use this laser light, the light rays are not clearly visible. The incident ray and the reflected ray is not clearly visible. We cannot see these rays. So for that we will pour some water. Now as you can see, I have filled this transparent box with water, and again we will use this laser light to see the incident ray and the reflected ray. So you can see the incident ray and the reflected ray. See how it is. See, we can see this one is the incident ray, this is the normal in the middle, and this one is the reflected ray. So we have got the incident ray and the reflected ray, and the first law says that the incident ray is always equal to the angle of incidence always equal to the angle of reflection. So first, if we keep the incident ray on 20 degree, see, the reflected ray is also 20 degree. Now if you increase this incident ray, suppose 40 degree, see, the reflected ray is also 40 degree. So it proves that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So the first law is verified and proved, and the second law says that the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence lie on the same plane. So see to the second law, this is the angle of incidence. As this incident ray is falling on this point, this is the angle of incidence. See, these three lines, that is the incident ray, normal, reflected ray, are on the same point, that is on the point of incidence, and these three lines are only on the same plane on the sheet of paper. So the second law is also proved. Now we will go for another way. Okay, so in this second way we will see the incident ray and the normal ray in this air. We will prove these laws also, the laws of reflection of light in this air. So see, in like that water also, in air we cannot see the incident ray and the reflected ray properly. So for that, no, this proves that enough molecules is not present in the air to scatter this incident ray. So for that I have taken some talcum powder, and if you blow on this light ray, it will be clearly visible. So now when you stop blowing, the light ray again become flatter. Now again if you blow, have you seen that? So In two ways only we have proved that the laws of reflection of light is true. So I will request that everyone can try this experiment in their home.